Alright, we're going to talk about this Tindie item, Bootloader Shield, and it comes with some documentation. You can click on here. It'll take you to a GitHub site, and what you're looking for here is the sketch that you'll load into your Arduino. This shield works well with a do-it-yourself Arduino, also available on Tindie for only $10. This particular model also comes in this kit form, which is only $8. You also need a USB programmer for this do-it-yourself Arduino, and those are only $5. If you're not interested in buying a do-it-yourself or a combination, you will need a Dewey Millenove, as this shield will not work with a Uno. So if you have a Uno, you need to get these two items or a Dewey Millenove. This is last tested on Arduino IDE version 102, and here's how it's done. You will need the microcontroller. This can be a 328 Atmega or a 168. I get them from Mouser. They come without a bootloader. That's why we have this shield, so that they'll work with the Arduino IDE. Alright, we attach the programmer here to do-it-yourself Arduino. We put the microcontroller into the bootloader. Now it's important to be aware of the notch. That makes sure that orients the chip properly, so pin 1 is here, and it's the proper orientation. And combine the shield into the Arduino, and you're ready to go. I've got mine ready. I'm going to plug it in. I got the sketch from that same location right here, and I placed it in the Arduino IDE. The first step is to upload the sketch. So we're going to put that, my do-it-yourself Arduino is just like a Dewey Millenove. Push upload. It'll take a second. Okay. The next step is to select the type of board that you want to put the bootloader on. If it's a 328, select this. Otherwise, you'll select a 168. Next, as a programmer, you're going to select Arduino as ISP, and all you just do is select bootloader. This will take a minute. So while we're waiting, I'll just go over this brief drawing here. To make a standalone project, you need to have a pull-up resistor on this reset line. That'll keep the Atmega from constantly resetting. You connect a 10K ohm resistor to 5 volts here. You put your 5 volt line here on pin 7. On pin 20, you put the ground on 8, 22, and a 60 megahertz clock. Okay, looks like it says done burning bootloader. That's what you want to see. You don't want to see any error messages in here. It means you're done. It should work fine.